Today ay wala pa ta, no?
Wala.
Wala pa sila. So, January, wala increase to 3 times a day. January, February, March, April, 4 months. Ang imong protein karon stable man since March. Para sa una ka 5,000. Pwede lang, mag-maintain sa pag twice a day.
Annyeonghaseyo, Nicole.
안녕하세요.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, please read that story also.
The Golden Touch. Long ago, there lived a king named Midas. King Midas loved gold. Each morning, he counted his gold as he ate in the garden. And after he counted it one, King Midas would count the gold again and wish for more. The only thing on earth that King Midas loved more than gold was his daughter. Each morning his daughter brought flour to King Midas. Her sweet smile always made the king happy, but with each day he saw less beauty in the flower. Soon King Midas saw beauty only in things made of gold. He ate gold dishes and drank from gold cups. He looked at a golden mirror. No longer must things will be as before. Must that not all the skill a skilled brown hair of her daughter must stay the shining color of gold.
Okay, Nicole, thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, GL.
안녕하세요.
Please read that story.
Where is Mama? Harry was worried about his mother, so he decided to get in the house. I'd better try the back door, said Harry. He walked around the house towards the back door. He tried opening it was locked, so he thought for a few minutes. He saw one of his neighbor passing by. Good afternoon, Uncle Edie. I'm home, but Papa and Mama aren't home yet. Good afternoon, Harry. You could stay in our house. Your Auntie Diana is there, answered the Uncle Edie. He started crying. His neighbor said, coming on in, Harry, you can call your mother and wait. Harry followed Mrs. Eva into the house. He sat in the sofa. Mrs. Eva gave him biscuits to eat and a glass of orange juice. Thanks, Auntie Eva. I'm really hungry, said Harry.
Okay, thank you, GL. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Are you already prepared and set up for this evening? for the self-study and regular students. So I put cupboard on the tables. I have also the tripod for the video call. And books to read for the self-study, for the reference. Okay, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher Lucelle.
Okay, our story for this week entitled Max the Story. I will read it first in English, then I will translate in Bisaya. In a bustling forest, Mia meet the bunny Max, the fox. So in a bustling forest mo sa nagkapuliki nga lasang o abala nga lasang, Mia ila siya sa kuniho nga si Max. Together, they search for a magical book. So nagpuyog sila nangita sa mahiwaga nga libro. Along the way, they encountered a mischievous owl who tried to trick them. So sa dalan kuno nga ilang gipagalakta nakasugat sila o malimbungon nga owl or kwago in Tagalog. So ang malimbungon kuno ni nga kwago ni suway nila og limbong. Pero with the teamwork and bravery, they outsmarted the owl and found the book. So sa ila kunong kamaalamon ug kaisog sa ilang panag-iusa, ilang nalabuan ang kwago ug nakita nila ang libro. The book contained secrets to everlasting friendship and joy. So ang suday ato nga libro kuno ang walay katapusan nga paghinigalaay ug ang kalipay. So with this story, it's regards with the teamwork. So kung naa day teamwork or kaisog, walay goal nimo nga dili mo ma-achieve. So imo jud nang ma-achieve. Like sa silhig, mudagan ba di ang silhig kung usa ka tukog? Dili, di ba? So dapat usa jud siya kabugkos para makalimpyo ang silhig. Sama ana. So with this story, hope nakasabot